Hey guys, this is a new tractor. If you guys think it looks cool, say it's cool in the chat. Yeah, it has two doors. It has blinkers and all that stuff that you'd have on a car. Got a horn. It has 12 gears to be in total. 6 fast and 6 low. It has a parking brake. These things, I forget what they do. The PTO thing, where it turns it on fast and slow. This to lift up the 3-point hitch. This is for it to go fast. No clue with these two yet. This is for the bucket up there and to lift the thing up completely. Got blinkers. Got these buttons, but I have no clue what these things are even for. None of them. We got a radio, air conditioner, got a top light, got a sun visor forever. Who knows what we need that for in a tractor. Got the sunroof. But yeah, that is it. So, well, not it yet, but we got mirrors. Got some mirrors. Got a toolbox. Got this huge, enormous bucket. Don't know why we need that big of a bucket, but we do. Yeah, this is mainly all of it. There's our backlights for the top. And then here's our PTO shaft. The things I lift up and 2 hydraulics. And that is it, guys, and our slow motion. So I hope you guys like that, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye.